And we got Rogue Viking that says Aquila 44 versus Aerocat 420 Flybridge for the Great Loop. Not entirely familiar with the 420 Aero, but with Aquila's and the Great Loop, which is a lot of people might not know, it's pretty much a way for you to see a good part of the country all from your boat. And there's a multiple time guest here, not on Boating Tips Live, but I know that they've been on Boating Broadcast, and that's April and Larry Smith on One Eyed Dog. You can find them anywhere on Facebook, anywhere on YouTube, and they document their whole Great Loop experience on their Aquila 44. It's husband and wife team. They've got their dog. They go anywhere and everywhere, and I learn a lot from them. Even though we're the dealer, I mean, they're living on that boat, and they're very, very boat savvy, live aboard savvy, which is something that's completely different than probably a big percentage is used to on the water. And just those little tricks that you use to adjust from living on land to living on a boat, traveling on that boat, preparedness and stuff like that. And that's really cool. So I'm going to drop that in the comments right now. That's One Eye Dog. You can find them. I put it in YouTube, and they do great work. So it's real exciting. Tell them that Nick and Keith sent you.